you. Get mad. Don't make lemonade. Prometheus was punished by the gods for giving the gift of knowledge to man. He was cast into the bowels of the earth and pecked by birds. Remember that. That's all I can say. Don't forget. It won't be enough. The answer is beneath us. Her name is Carolyn.
Oh, why? I did everything you asked. I don't understand. I'm fine. Wait, oh no! Why?
Hello. Target acquired.
Hello? Whee! Whee! I'm afraid of heights. No! See you soon. I'm scared. I'm scared. Hooray! Glorious freedom! I'm flying! Goodbye. Come closer. Something's wrong. What are you doing? Failure. Ow. 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 It burns. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Ow. Please stop. You've made your point. Okay, you win. This is not good. Oh. Can't breathe. Excuse me, you're squishing me. Hello? Help! Being squished!
Hello? 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 Excuse me. Excuse me? Hello? Hello? I'm different. Thanks anyway. Take me with you. Take me with you.
Good shot. Well done. I need backup. You have excellent aim. I never liked her. These things happen. That was nobody's fault. She was provoking you. Oh dear. Oh my. I blame myself. She probably deserved it. I saw it. It was an accident. She's probably okay. Noted.